Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, myself Harshali Dhage. I am the student of third year computer department of Zeal Polytechnic Pune. My group number is 6 and my group members are Varadraj Kabade and Viraj Bhalekar. Our project topic is Python programs to concatenate two lists under the guidance of Professor Mahesh Pawar sir. Let's move to the next slide. Project outline. There are several ways to join or concatenate two or more lists in Python. One of the easiest way are by using the plus operator. List concatenation, the act of creating a single list from multiple smaller lists by daisy chaining them together. There are many ways to concatenating lists in Python. Specifically, in this article, we will be going over how to concatenate two lists in Python using the plus operator, unpack operator, multiply operator, and the inbuilt list method. What is list? The list in Python is collection which is executed and changeable. Means the list is collection of data or element which the data is in ordered manner in a list. The position of elements in list can be accessed by indices between square bracket and comma. In between elements and the lists are mutable. The value of any element inside the list can be changed at any point of line in the list. The index value always starts with 0 and ends with n-1. The another part of the PPT will explain by Viraj.
Thank you, Harshali. Now we will turn to ways of concatenate of two lists in Python. This operation is useful when we have in list and which needs to be proposed in similar manner. Now three are many more methods to concatenate of list. From that we will see some three basic and easy operations or methods. Method first, we can concatenate use plus operator, which is easiest way to concatenate. Second method, using extend operator. Extend method is used to append and add the specified element in list. Third method, using multiplication operator is or sum as the plus operator. Also, we can use extend method by using extend function. Now we will see syntax of each method. First, append bracket close operator syntax is list underscore name append bracket new underscore element bracket close. Second, extend operator syntax is list1 dot extends dot bracket list2 bracket close. Third, plus operator syntax is list3 is equal to list1 plus list2 dot. Okay, then next part will be explained by Varat. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Viraj. Now we will run the program code of concatenation. We have generated the code as you see the code. First, we have taken list1 and list2 as empty list. Then user have to input value that will be element in list1. After this, user should input elements value one by one in list 1. Now, as similar for list 2, user should have to follow the same process of list 1. Now, we will see the output of our program code. Now, enter elements in first list. It had displayed elements from first list. Now enter elements in list 2. It had also displayed the elements from list 2. First output will appear of plus operator. Then it will appear extend operator's output. We have programmed the code of two methods, plus operator and extend operator. In this way, the total output will be displayed on our screen. Thank you.